guys, so today I'm going to show you how to carry out addition using the column method. Now I've got us an addition sum already on the board. I've got the number 13 add 11. Now when I'm setting this out, I need to think about where I'm going to put my digits first. So for this sum, I'm going to have 13 at the top because we always say that the bigger number goes at the top, okay? So I've got my number 13 here. Now my number 13 has got 3 in the ones column and 1 in the tens column. Now I'm going to show you where the number 11 will go. So my number 11 will go underneath here just like this because I've got 1 in the ones column and also a 1 in the tens column. Okay, put my addition symbol at the side here and underline it just here. Now, in order to figure this out, the first thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to look at my ones column. Okay, I need to think about each column in turn. So my ones column, I've got 3, add 1, and that gives me 4. Okay, I've then got 1, add 1 in my tens column, and that will give me 2. So 13 add 11 is 24. Okay, so let's have a look at another example. Now, the next example I'm going to do is 27 add 33. Now this example is slightly different, and the reason that it's slightly different is because when I add together my ones column, like I've got here, 7 add 3, it actually gives me 10. It gives me a number that is greater, that is a 2-digit number as well, okay? So what I do for this example is I've got 7 add 3 is 10, so I put my 0 here and I carry my 1 over in my tens column, okay? If I write my columns on here, this is the tens column, this is the ones column. So my ones are here, my tens are here. I've carried an extra 1 over here for 10 into my tens column. So I'm now going to add up my tens column like I had to do for the previous question, but obviously I can't forget that I've got another one down here. So I've got 2, add 3, that gives me 5, and then add another 1, that gives me 6. So 27 add 33 is 60. Okay, I'm going to do one more example just like that to show you. I'm going to put my labels up here for my columns as well, just so that we don't get confused. So for the next example, I've got 48, and I'm going to add 19 to that number. So 19 has 1 in the tens column and a 9 in the ones column. Okay, so this is my column addition right here. Put my lines underneath here. So just like the second example, I've now got 8 plus 9 in my ones column. That's going to give me a number that's greater than 10. Okay, so 8 plus 9 is 17. So the number 17 has a 7 in the ones, and then I carry my 1 over to my tens column. That gives me the number 17. Okay, then I've got to add up my tens column. So I have 4 and 1, that makes 5, and another 1, that makes 6. So 67, I can cross out that one to make sure that I have already done that, okay? So there we are. That is how we do column addition. Have a go at some yourself.